Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. If you're here with me in the Discord, in the YouTube, in the X, or now in the Kick chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. For some reason, it doesn't say that we have any viewers on Kick, but there's people in there. It's weird. Very strange. Good morning to you, Nick, SW, Skunked Ape, Kelvin, Sovereign Pulse, Fat Citizen, TW, Silent NW, Mike, Ferrari, Phil, Cyrus, Andreas National. Good morning to you, Sovereign, Amateur Genius, Barry. What's up, Rips Mod, Tomoki, Silent NW, Mike, Master Rick, I Can't Trade, Luna Trades. Good morning to you, Broccoli, Brian, Billy Joe. What's up, JCE, G Lines, OCE Frag, Fat Guy Out West, Wheezy Legend. I don't know why it's not showing. Let me see this. Oh, there we go. It says 13 viewers. Interesting. Yeah, there we go. That's better. No. I'm talking about over on Kick. So AMP account still being provisioned. Can't even log in. But we do have 20 fresh Apex PAs that we can do some damage with. So that could be interesting. We do have the ECB rate decision coming in. Is that the bottom of the hour that happens? They either do it at the quarter or the bottom. Let me see here. Or they just don't list it in my calendar. Oh yeah, I gotta go to today. That makes sense. It's at the quarter of the hour, 8:15. Any interest in playing the 25K six-handed event today? Yeah, you know, I wanted to. I'm gonna be on the first episode of some WPT game show thing, so I gotta film that. I'm getting some media stuff done 9 o'clock this morning as well, so although I'd like to play, I gotta handle that stuff. So not gonna be playing that one today, but I will try to play an event tomorrow or on Saturday, Sunday. Let me see what it's called. Golden Shootout. Episode 1. It's called The Golden Shootout. And takes forever for account setup. Well, I got the account balance transferred over to the new account now. The one that doesn't have the revealed the exposed account number. If anybody knows how to hide your account number in TradingView, it would be greatly appreciated. There's like some type of script that I can use for that. That'd be lovely. Because I don't want to have to accidentally flash it again and have to go through the same thing. Super annoying. This whole process. It's been horrible having to deal with this crap. Steven says, have a great day, Rips, and everyone. I'm done trading since London. Nice. Crypto and trading. I feel like that's the only category I could find on Kick, by the way. Yeah, if you could all just do me a solid here. Anybody who's watching over on YouTube, go right over here and just follow. Trying to get to 100 followers here. I want to see if it updates the goal when somebody follows. Try putting some tape over it. Yeah, you know, it just didn't work. Apparently, Kick is way better quality than everything else. That's what they tell me. Giveaway today, yeah. If we get to 600 likes, sure. Yeah, apparently the quality is really good on Twitter or on Kick. So. Bobby says, is in the Clubhouse some content how to add to winners? When I watch rips, it always looks like Martingale with no system. If Martingale with no system was what I traded, I don't know how I got from $0 to $700,000 in profit. Must be, you know, I'm probably the luckiest trader alive, Bobby. That's probably what it is. Just keep adding and adding and adding. That's all it is. Not calling the market perfectly to the exact price that it goes to every single time. Definitely not that. Certainly not that. I don't know why it doesn't update the following goal. See if this works. I don't know. Does it pop up for anybody? You can prevent it from being displayed in the account manager by disabling the related feature set. Huh. We're on every platform right now. I didn't know Crick is a streaming platform. What did you think it was? TradeStation had an annoying update today. What happened? No, it's on Kick. Here. Oops, I don't know. It's annoying. Sorry. Can't just see a way to hide the account number. That's so annoying. And then AMP refuses to rename my account to something that, like, rips. Super annoying. I wonder if you could do like a giveaway bot exclusively on Kick. If anybody knows like any giveaway bots on Kick. 2 minutes now until the ECB's rate decision. Wow, wow, wow. No, ECB's press conference is at the press conference is at 80:45. So, but they're gonna cut the rates. Like, I mean, that's almost positive that they're gonna be cutting rates. The surprise would be if they didn't cut rates. So, Keep wanting to trade my Percy, but I can't. I ain't got a Percy to trade right now. I mean, I do, but I just don't have the credentials for trading it. They have to set it up still. The money's in there. That's the good part. Hey, Ribs, I'm your first subscriber and Kick. Hope you remember. All right, sweet. Love it. I will remember. All right, 20 seconds. They're probably going to cut by 25 basis points. If you're in a trade right now, you're probably going to get clapped, so be careful. Yeah, I might cut YouTube early and just stream over on Kick just to see if it's any better. We'll see. There we go. Cut 25 as expected. Dude, market has no reaction. That's wild. I wonder when the FOMC is going to cut. I wonder if it's going to be this meeting. Probably not, but quality does seem better here. That's good. That's wild. I mean, it barely moved. I'm just looking at the projections right now. What a nothing burger. Actually way better. So Kick is like the nuts. It's like goated, huh? I mean, it's pretty clean on my side. No delay, that's sick. Yo, Rips literally installed Kick, signed up, followed you, uninstalled. That's funny, dude. That's hilarious. Kick is more delayed? Interesting. I wonder if you could do like the speed that it goes at. I don't know. Who knows? We'll figure it out. Link to the Kick stream is right here. See if it's any faster. YouTube looks better, but there's only a minuscule difference. It's interesting. Supposedly the stream is supposed to be more efficient on Kick. I don't know. So the press conference is going to be in 30 minutes. Well, less than 30 minutes, but the bottom of the hour, we're going to get a lot of data related to jobs, obviously, because it's the continuing and initial jobless claims. We're also going to get the non-farm productivity and unit labor costs, the trade balance. So it'll be interesting, but most of the market is probably just waiting for the jobless claims here. What's your thoughts on 0 Day Jay? He is nonstop talking smack about you trying to clip farm for more views. Who is that? I don't know who that is. If you're talking crap about me, you're not a real trader. Full stop. Real recognizes real. I was talking, I had a meeting with somebody who's won 33 trading competitions, and their words, not mine. They said that I'm one of the greatest trading influencers out there right now in the landscape. And this person's won 33 trading competitions. Who the heck is 0 Day J? If you can show me somebody else who's in the last 5 months run $100,000 to $700,000 in profit, I'll gladly listen to them. Yeah, I've never heard of that person. Oh, I'm getting viewbot again. This is great. They're not on Twitter. Well, no, I'm saying influencers. I'm talking about influencers, Uncle. Talking about influencers. How'd you know who that was? Always Be Racing. How'd you know? What's up, Push with the Pull? Top of this morning to you. Yeah, I mean, I would respect anybody who's talking smack as long as they have a track record, you know? You know any good swing traders? Kola Maggie, one of the best. Thousand words per minute. Nice, we got 51 viewers over on Kick. It's awesome. We have a bunch of people being view-botted here. 4.5K on YouTube. What's up with the beef with Dodgy? I mean, if you can't figure that out. He's a paper trader, spends a lot on marketing, has a marketing firm that also puts ads on Instagram talking about how he's one of the success stories. And in his success story, he talks about, I don't really have to focus on anything. They just do all the work for me. Anyway, it's a marketer versus a real trader. I'm a real trader. He's a marketer. But the problem I have is that he lies to his members. He's not transparent. And you're charging money for that. That's a big no-no. Never heard of Kick? I mean, it's pretty cool. It's supposed to be much better quality than what's on YouTube, apparently. Do you have any educational content on how you use Bookmap or order flow? You know, there's been a lot of demand for it lately. I might come up with something, but right now, nothing really. Free streams to watch. I don't know. I might come up with something. We'll see. You do, I'll be getting Bookmap at that point. My problem with it is that I fear that even if I came out with a very comprehensive course on Bookmap, that most people, it would still be too difficult for them. And I just feel like, you know, it took me a year to start being proficient with Bookmap, and even then I was getting tons of false positives. I don't know that it's for everybody. I don't know that reading order flow is the right flavor of ice cream for people. So I don't know. And I don't want to give you something that doesn't have any value, you know? Like, if you perceive something with value and it turns out that you could never be proficient with Bookmap because it's just not like the way that your brain processes information, what's the value in that? You know what I mean? I always think about that before I put out any content, you know, if it's gonna be helpful or not for people, you know? Dude, if I wanted to go over to the dark side and make 500K a month from trying to sell subscriptions and stuff, I could easily do that. It would not be difficult. Look at my track record. I'm one of the best public traders out there, period. It's not even close. Nobody can produce what I can produce in the way of broker statements in the futures market, period. Very few, like there's less than 5 as far as public figures go. If I wanted to start to just go to that realm and just charge people hundreds of dollars and focus on that, I could be bringing $500,000 a month from that easily. But I don't, because I don't care. I'd rather do it for free, you know? Do you also trade a live account? Buddy, are you new here? The only rational reason someone would view bot you is they're trying to get your channel suspended. Yeah, but the problem is I have a private YouTube rep, and they already know. So they're just wasting their money. Yeah, I mean, that's like the whole thing that is hilarious to me is like they all just yap, and it's like, cool, dude. Like I'm still rich. I'm still an amazing trader. I make my money from trading. And then there you are, like renting a condo that's like half the size of one of my guest bedrooms that I haven't even been in 6 months. Struggling to pay your little lease on your starter Lambo because if your Discord went away, you're screwed and you can't make money anymore. Like, that's hilarious to me. You know what I mean? Like, that's hilarious. These are the people coming after me. Like, go ahead, dude. I don't care. Like, I could stop this stream right now. I'm still gonna make money today because I know how to trade. Doesn't matter. I don't need any other source of income. I can make money from trading. You know what I mean? Simple as that. Bro is making fun of 99% of his following. I'm making fun of my following because is my following a bunch of educators that are scamming people? Is that right? That's how you perceived that? That was how small your brain was? That's how retarded you were? That's what you got from that. That's how stupid you are. I'm alienating my followers because all of you are now selling courses and scamming people? How retarded are you, TY? Nah, the bedroom and rent, you goof? No, I'm talking about people who are scamming people and then renting a condo out in Miami and renting a little starter Lambo and scamming people. That's what I'm talking about, Ty. I'm sorry that you're too retarded to figure this out. Did it hurt your feelings because like you put your money into somebody like that? And did it hurt your feelings? I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry, bud. Hurt your feelings because you've been spending hundreds of dollars listening to a fraud who can't trade. That sucks for you. And you could have just been here for free listening to somebody who could trade for real in a real account. Dang. I'm sorry that you're starting to feel like a retard. Oh, I shouldn't have paid somebody who can't trade. Dang it. That hurts me in the feelings. All right, jobless claims coming out in 15 seconds. Be careful for this. This is going to move the market. It should. If this doesn't move the market today, I don't know what will. Over on Kick is here, right there. Same as all my other stuff. Uh-oh. Trade balance is a little bit hotter than expected. Non-farm productivity is down. We are coming a little bit lower here. Tapping out on that previous day low, it looks like. Or previous day mid, rather. Uh-oh. Market did not like this. Can we break through that 716 level? Can we actually get below that? If we can, it's gonna get juicy. Right now, bouncing at that 716 level. Finding a little bit of pause here at 730. If we actually get back below 730, I'm interested, but if we bounce back up to say 750, where that initial flush was, probably not interested anymore. There are some sellers here, but a lot of bid to cover. See if this relaxes below 750 at all. So I get pretty interested. Watching here at 740. I want to see this back below that 730 level for some extra sauce. Right now, holding 740, we have a big bidder there at 740. We can crack this bidder at 740. I think we will slam this below into those 730s, but we have to crack this 740 player. All contingent on this 740 player. Back above that 740 level. If we're sweeping up to these 50s, I'm watching for a harsh rejection just below 50s. Not harsh enough yet for me to add, so I'm just watching. But we do have an exchange potentially happening here at 750. See if we can sweep below this 43 player. I think we can sweep. If we sweep back below these 40s, I think we're in business. Because we had that pressuring back all the way to those 50s. Nobody wanted to sweep those 50s yet. Tradeify's website is down. I have not seen that on my end. I want to go for this bigger hold to sweep through these 30s here on this rejection. Right now, stacking underneath for a pull towards 50, but as long as we're defending that, I think the trade is still valid. Watching it the sweep towards 50. Stack at 45. Popping above 50. Let's see if we get the sweep back below to that liquidity at 45. And stopped out 55 there. Let's see, we're giving back the entire move. We have the press conference that's happening in about 10 minutes. We come back up to 67. We see some sellers here. I will definitely be back in this. Okay, watching here at 55 again. I want to see this breaking back below. There's a bid stack just at 50 here. So if we entertain that liquidity a little bit lower, we can definitely go for that. Watching to see if they're going to sweep at that 55 level. A lot of liquidity still up at 67. Watch to see if they're going to take out this lick at 60. Okay, there's that pull to 67. This is where I want to see most of the defense coming on, if any. Stopped out there above 70. All right, let's see. Only way I'm flipping long in this is if we have that push of momentum up through these 80s. All right, so 4-hour open is what I'm watching for here. If we pop above that, we have no sellers. I'm looking for us to perchance trade all the way up to like 91 or so. So let's see. They're breaking through this liquidity at 75 right now, which is that 4-hour open liquidity. Seeing on this pullback if this is invalidated at all. Right now, hold at 70s. And press conference is starting in 7 minutes. All right, trying this above 70 here. I want to see a breakout 84, the next breakout point. So let's see if we get that. Watching here at basically 65 to hold. We get that rally up towards 84. If we pull back, I'm watching for a pullback to 60s. So there was somebody offering right there at 72, but if we sweep that, which we just did, I'm interested in this pushback up towards 84. Like I said, we have room all the way down to 60 here. Another seller at 70 just took it. So watching for the sweep up towards 84. We would have a blow off top above 84 too. Just have to try to time this 5 minutes before this press conference starts. Bring out the ES here too. ES is pushing towards 59.85 as well. If we break through 59.85 in the S&Ps, we do have a shot of blowing out towards 59.90, which would coincide with 784 in the NASDAQ. But it's just getting a little thin up here, which is kind of concerning. But we should be able to break out. A lot of orders keep flashing up higher, sort of scaring the price down because we don't have a lot of liquidity right now. I still think we should break out here. Should be a lot of cells stacked here that we can blow through and see some stop runs. If we pull back, I think pull back to 60 is fine. All right, ECB conference starting in 2 minutes here. Okay, watching this pullback here. Okay, we pulled back almost exactly to 60. I was able to grab a couple more down there. About 1 minute now until the press conference begins. $30 seconds now. Right now holding 59.80 in the S&Ps as well. I think we're going to see those prepared remarks right in 10 seconds. Here we go. Just about to start now. Still seeing a couple offers stacked up here that we need to fight through. Need to see more bids coming in behind us here. Right now we're leaving behind a trace of low bids, so that's a little bit concerning. I just want to see this pumping back above that 74 level and leaving a trace of stronger bids behind us, showing us that shorts are kind of panicking below. But right now, not seeing that. It's a little bit empty as we're creeping up a bit higher here. Not hearing anything from ECB's Lagarde yet. Showing some thinner offers, which is somewhat good, but again, this is just like locked, doing nothing. Coming up to the VWAP and just failing at 769. So, not ideal. We're not breaking out. We're not seeing any buyers coming in yet. It's very thin to the north side, but they're just not coming in. I thought we would have had an explosion of volume coming in for the start of the press conference, but I think they're late, which is unfortunate. And stopped out for most of them. Oh well. On to the next. We shorted the dead bottom, basically long the top of that one. Unbelievable. Right back down to 755. Oh, thank God. Count is live. Finally got my AMP account. Let's get in this set of password. I ain't getting no rest. Ah, there we go. That's exactly what I wanted, by the way. There you go. Awesome. So annoying. That's why I like trading my own money, by the way. So annoying. Unbelievable. see if this works. How annoying is that? So annoying. Oh well, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, bro? What are you gonna do? All right, let's see how the market reacts on the afterglow here. No, that wasn't tilting at all. All right, I made up for it. Just made $17,000 in my AMP account. We're over $700,000 now. There we go. I got to do the thing again where, like, look, for some reason when I hit flat and all, stays there with the order, but there you go. So ended up torching some Apex, but we made 17,500 of real money. So you tell me what you'd rather have, 17,500 of real money, or, I mean, you tell me. I don't know why this stays up. All right, let me do this. Let me just reset trading view. I don't want to do this again though. That's the annoying thing. Whatever, I'm not gonna expose the account number again, but for some reason, when I click flatten all, AMP did this last time we exposed our account number. Let me see what happens if I go like one short. Not gonna go short. Nano Hand says all streamers same story. What do you mean? I lost everything on screen but made it up on my other super secret screen. This must be your first time watching the stream here, buddy. This is my AMP account. It's my live account. Why'd you time them out? I want to hear what they have to say. Anybody in here can help Nano Hands. Nano Hands? Can anybody in chat help out Nano Hands and explain to him what's actually going on here? We caught that for 50 points for $17,000. Oh, okay. So does anybody know how to hide the account number? Yeah, I should probably get this off my screen. So does anybody know how to hide the account number? Then I don't have to worry about this anymore. Edge Clear is better than AMP? Nah, I mean, Edge Clear, if they would have let me have the same margins that I'm getting on AMP, I would have stuck with them, but they were not doing that. I can't believe I finally got over $700,000 in the account. I'm so proud of that. That's super dope. I feel like God was looking out for me on that one. Like, for real. I really feel like God was looking out for me on that one, because it's like, he's like, why the f are you trading these stupid props again? Like, let's get a trade in your real account. You know what I mean? like if I had just stayed in those accounts, like, I probably would have traded them for the rest of the day. I would have missed out on actual real money. You know what I mean? I don't know. Good thing you weren't in the real one first. Dude, if I was in the real one, I would have made probably like $200,000. That's the thing that's hilarious. If I was in the real account, I would have made money, like insane amounts of money, because I was long and I never would have covered. We got stopped out because of some stupid rules. Like, I like to trade big size, you know? Like, I would have made probably $250,000 on that trade. Let's be real. If I was only trading that in the Percy. Like, there's a reason why I was long. Like, if you think for some reason that you can't see the signature of what's about to happen via order flow, I'm sorry, but you're a newer trader. There's a reason why I was so deep in that long. I understand that the call is something that wasn't planned, but there's signature left behind in the tape that you can see in the order flow. Why don't you just trade a personal then? That's what I've been doing every single day, dude. I can tell like who's here for the first time. Let's not forget about the people that are definitely informed about the call seconds before the release. Dude, long before that, the signature in the tape was showing that it was going to gap. So. Put a post-it on it? Yeah, to cover the account. Does nobody know how to hide the account in TradingView? Nobody actually knows. What can I show? Here, let me do this. No, that still won't work. I run the risk of exposing my account again, which is really annoying. There's no way. No way to hide it. Well, this is the problem, is that when I clicked cover all, it's holding an order up here. And if I restart, this is what happened on the stream. Like, if I do that, it says market order rejected, sell 0, order size 0 invalid. To learn more, please contact your broker. Yeah, I don't know why Flat and All like did that. So annoying. No. So if I restart TradingView, the problem is that the screen is misaligned, and then it's going to show my account number, which is exactly what happened on Tuesday's stream. Let me see if I can reload the tab. Is it just F5? Let me see. I'm gonna go to Bookmap only just so I don't expose anything. Okay, cool. Reload worked. Thank you for whoever said that. Cool. And now I'm reconnecting the amp. Boom. And we're all set. Thank you to whoever said that. Cool. There we go. We're fixed. All right, sick. So there was our trade that we made $17,560 on. Happened to me, it's the API key. Dude, I would have made so much more money if I was trading that in the Percy, bro. let's just say I was like 30 contracts long. Where was I at 750? 30 contracts long, it spiked to 890. 140 points on 30 contracts. I would have made $84,000. Whatever. I made $17,560. I'm not mad about that. Account manager privacy mode? Wait, hold on. Have you tried this on TradingView? Trading settings, disabling the account manager. Hold on. We'll go back to Bookmap main. Trading settings. Where's the account manager? I don't have that. Where's the what caused the spike? Trump call was she? If you're enjoying the stream right now, drop a W in chat. Debating on staying or not. Profile, let's see, profile settings. Click on your profile picture, select profile settings, privacy settings. There, hold on. So click up here. Profile settings, okay. Account and billing. Yeah, I don't see anything, dude. Oh, privacy and security. Yeah, dude, there's nothing. There's nothing, dog. There's nothing. Oh well. Whatever. I should be happy about this trade, but for some reason I'm really not. I'm just upset that the first trade got stopped out. I was sized into that thing. I'm not on tilt, dude. Bro, I get $17,000 for clicking buttons today. You know how much money that is? Like, for most people, like $17,000 is like what they're gonna make in a 2-week period of working like a hard job. Like, that's 2 weeks pay for most normal people out there. Like, I'm very happy. I made that in like less than 5 minutes. That's like, for okay, 1 week, I'm sorry. That's 1 week for normal, regular people out there. That's 1 week of pay. I'm sorry. I said 2 weeks. I mean 1 week, all right? Okay, 2 weeks. I don't know, 2 weeks. How much is it? What's the average? All right, let me check chat GPT for this one. What does it take the average American to, or what does it take? How long, excuse me, does it take the average American to make 17, what do we make, 560? I guarantee you ChatGPT is gonna say 2 weeks. I guarantee you it's gonna say 2 weeks, dude. Let's see. Oh, 4 months? I was way off. Well, I guess we should consider this a blessing then. How long was this trade? I opened the trade at 5:51 and 34 seconds, and I closed the trade at 5:50. No. Oh, no, those were all rejected. I closed the trade at 5:51 and 56 seconds. What is that? 34 to 56 is 22 seconds. Would it be considered good if I made that much money in 22 seconds? Let's see what they say. Yes, that would be insanely good. $800 for a second. Bro, that's legit. I'm kind of stoked on that. All right, so to answer the... Oh, dude, we lost the 200 people who were hoping I was going to lose today. I'm sorry, dudes. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's say trading. Okay. Is that considered a decent amount in the retail trading space to make that much in 22 seconds? Let's see. In the retail trading space, no, that's not decent. That's monstrous. It's absolutely elite. Even among successful retail traders, a 17K day is big. To do it in 22 seconds, that's more on par with top professional traders or fund level scalers, not average retail. Well, Chat GPT, I didn't expect this much glaze in the morning. What are you working at a Krispy Kreme over here? Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. Oh, look at this. In fact, if you posted real receipts of $17,560 in 22 seconds, most of retail Twitter and the Discord scene would either assume you're lying or would be absolutely floored. This is amazing. This is amazing. It's elite tier. This is great. That's dope. Oh, good Lord. That was fun, though. That was fun. I had a good time. So my average close was at 61. The top of that candle was 66. Bro, yes. Ripsy Hussies, you're goated, baby. Let's see on Bookmap if we can see my order. What time was that at? 51 and 56 seconds. So that would be back here. Oh, did we find Ripsy? We found Ripsy. There he is. But hey, don't worry, it's fake, guys. It's fake, it's not real. There I am in Bookmap. But it's not real, it's fake. There it is, there's my order. Bing bong, cooked him. Boom, mic drop. Did I break 700K? Yeah, I did. Check me out, dog. We're at $706,000. PSA Rips just murdered Bill Gates' score. Oh, dude, he only makes $117 per second. What a chump. Oh, that's hilarious. He's a fake trader. Oh, really? Why is my order literally in Bookmap, dog? Oh, that's hilarious. I love it. What's up now, little haters? What's up, dog? What's up, dog? Surprised I didn't say you were a congressional lever. Ah, good Lord. Should we do a giveaway? Does anybody know how to do a giveaway over at Kick? Dude, I was just existing in that little universe right there. Right there? It's right there. Just a little high of this candle. 66. Are out 61. Wait, someone posted it in chat earlier? What is it? Hit me. What's the withdrawal rules? So I have to talk to my boss, and then I'd have to see if he's cool with me taking out all of it. If he says yes, then Yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh, Lottobot. I'll tell you what. I'll give away a free Apex account to my 100th follower on Kick. How about that? Whoever's my 100th follower on Kick. Try using streaming mode on TradingView. How do I access streaming mode on TradingView? Amp is probably like, dude, he just got the account back. Who is this guy? Dude, who is this guy? There's no streaming? Oh, well, yeah. I'll either give you a free Apex account or a free monthly Clubhouse. I don't care. Whatever you want. I don't care. Now, dude, see, now Ryan's actually, like, Downey's being nice now. Because somebody posted that I lost money in Apex. Like, oh, no, I lost money in Apex. And then they're like, don't throw me out of context like that. He made 20K after the screenshot means nothing. Yeah, but he made 20K live after and Apex is dumb. I mean, that's pretty nice. Is he trying to, like, save the burned bridges or something? I don't know. I don't know. Saying all the right things. We only have 64 followers on Kick right now. Again, my exact exit on this trade, go to Bookmap, was at 5:51 and 56 seconds. 5:51 and 56 seconds. Sorry, 8:51. I'm in Pacific time zone. So 8:51. So you can literally go to 8:51 and 56 seconds. 8:51. You can see down here is the time. See that? That's the time. So go to 8:51 and there's my literal order right there. That's me. Broken up into two orders. They give me the average. There it is. Right there. There it is. That's me on Bookmap. That's it. Right there. Do you see? I'm DMing. You have a dilemma? Oh, I don't know. So if anybody's curious about whether or not I trade real money, there's my exact order right there. Right there. That's my exact order. My exit. Bing bong. How many contracts? Ooh. If you go on Bookmap, you can see exactly how many contracts it was. You can see exactly. But there it is. That's a real order in the tape. But there you go. All right. I feel like we should go jump over into Kick. What do you think? What do you folks think? Go head over into Kick. I don't think I'm going to trade anymore today. I want to be in a good mood today. I just don't. Bro, I'm sorry. Like, 17,000 is a lot of money. It's a good amount of money in one single trade. I'm sure I could make more today if I sat here, but like, I got a meeting at 9. I want to take my wife shopping today. I'm going to do something ignorant today. Like, really ignorant. You know what I mean? Like, I just want to go shopping, blow cash, like, do something stupid and enjoy the fruits of my labor. You know what I mean? That's kind of where I'm at with my head. Like, I don't really feel like trading for the rest of the day. I'm just being real with you. That's where I'm at on Kick. New watch to match your new ring. The ring I got is old. That ring got made like 6 months ago. But I got a new chain and new bracelet. But yeah, dude, this watch that I'm looking at is just ridiculous. It's a Patek Philippe chandelier. It's like outrageously stupid. And I might pull the trigs on it. It's so stupid. But it's a great Vegas watch. If you wore it anywhere else, they'd cut your arm off. $10 a.m. in the main conference room. All associates expect to attend topic. Some guy. Yeah, dude. That's what it is. That's funny. Dude, but honestly, they must be like, dude, who is this guy? For real. Like, they must be like, see this stuff and be like, dude, what is this guy? I have yet to have a red day since I've started the AMP account. I started the AMP account, I don't know. When did I get my AMP account originally? I'm just so happy. That was so dope. That was so sick. Day trading margins are twice the displayed amount for any account balances exceeding $100,000. Yes, I know. I know, dude. They just sent me an email. I know, guys. My cap is 100 contracts. Trust me, I know. Enjoy your rib, spoil your hot wife. Plus, she wants a baby, bro. Yeah, she does. I know. Can you try another picture of balls? But you know, I mean, the only thing that I could be salty about is that we wanted the long down here. Oh my God. I mean, we got a big piece of it, but let's just say we would have doubled. We would have made, I think we could have made 50K, but whatever. And everybody's always like, why don't you trade props more often? Like, bro, exhibit A. This is why I don't trade props often, because like, dude, I love making real money, like actual money. Like, even if I, like, let's just say I'd nailed that trade in the Apex accounts, like I still have to wait 7 more days for a payout, and then I have to do a 90-10 split, and then I'm getting taxes 1099. Like, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I just don't have self-control sometimes. I'm gonna do it. That's the one, TW. It's so ignorantly stupid. It's so beyond stupid. It's so dumb. Hey, Rips, I got a question for you. I have an account with Trade-Of-8, but when I tried trading using TradeView, it's laggy, dude. I need to buy the 1-year subscription to avoid this. Dude, Trade-Of-8, their plugin, their hook into TradingView is slow. The only connection that I will use with TradingView is CQG, because I can execute like that. That's the only one. Like, bro, my execution with CQG is like butter, bro. And as a momentum trader, you need that. Like, if you have hanging orders, if you have anything that's just ruined, like, bro, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. I've had situations where the real broker, where I used like an experimental wheel route and I couldn't close my position. It was a nightmare. I lost 6 figures on a trade. This is like 7 years ago that I did this, but yeah, I mean, you want to have a situation you can trust. If you're having lag, it's probably because you don't have a CQG connection. CQG and TradingView is like, it's right there. Anything else, I will not do. Like, dude, this is money. Like, I'm not going to screw around. That's the reason why I left EdgeClear, right? The reason why I left EdgeClear is because their CQG connection, their risk desk was tiny. AMP self-clears, their risk desk is huge, and they allow me to put on a maximum of 100 contracts per trade. And it's instant execution for me. You saw it, dude. Like, that was instant execution. You need to find a broker that will support it, but I don't recommend trading your own money until you have 9 to 12 months of consistent profitability with props. Not sure if it'll work for you, but this is where you would hide the account number. Apparently you can't do it on Trade-Of-8. Yeah, same exact options as you, bro. There's nothing. Summary row is the exact same as yours. It says total margin, OTE, and purchasing power. That's it. That's the exact same as what you have, bro. Yeah. Nothing I can do. Hey, what's up, Jess? How you doing? I warned you about EdgeClear. ETF put me live with them and it sucked. Glad to see on AMP. Dude, it's nothing to do with EdgeClear. EdgeClear actually had, like, the vice president used to watch the stream. And, or he did watch it, or he does watch the stream. What up, dude, if you're watching? But they were great, bro. Like, I could call him on his private line and just chat it up with him. I asked him, like, multiple times. I was like, out of everybody who's trading on your firm right now, how do I place? And he's like, bro, like, if you're looking at percentage wise, not specifically size wise, and this is when the account was at 100K. Well, when I started at 100K and it slowly scaled up. He's like, bro, percentage wise, like you're probably one of the top traders of the firm right now. He said that straight up. Percentage wise, percentage gain. He's like, people are getting clapped left and right. Like, yeah, but this is my market. I traded the 2016 Trump market. I made a ton of money. What platform do you use to execute trades on your prop account? Tradeovate. Tradeovate web version. And I mean, obviously I lost today, so whatever. Yeah, it is what it is. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wrap the stream here on YouTube. Jump on over to Kick right now. I just want to see if we can get a nice little stream going over on Kick. That's where I'm going to be for the rest of the day, or for the rest of the open. We'll talk through the open for the next 20 minutes or so. I think I could play copywritten music on Kick too. I'm pretty sure, right? Hold on, let me see this. Can you play copy music on Kick? No. Come on, dude. All right, I'll see you guys and gals over on Kick. Don't go anywhere. Well, go somewhere. Go over to Kick. I'll see you folks there.